Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, bad image with the error code 0xc0e90007, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Forza Horizon 6, click Properties, Install Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files here. And once you do that, now you're going to close this up. You're going to go to your Forza Horizon 6 games folder. And once you're here, you're going to right click on the Forza Horizon 6 exe, click Properties, Compatibility, click on to Disable Full Screen Optimizations and click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, OK, and close this up. Now you're going to open up your Start menu. You're going to write here Windows Security. You're going to go into Virus and Threat Protection, click onto Protection History, and now you're going to look for any files that Windows Defender may have blocked off Forza Horizon 6. So if you find any files, just click on Allow Access on this device. Once you do that, you're going to go back. You're going to click onto Manage Settings here. Scroll down, click onto Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add a folder. Now go to your Forza Horizon 6 games folder and add it to the exclusions list. After that, now you're going to go ahead and try to play Forza Horizon 6 and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So just guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.